Stop wasting hours editing. What if you could create a high-quality 8-minute YouTube video in the time it takes to brew and drink a cup of coffee? Think about it. A complete video with a professional voiceover fitting background music engaging stock footage, all finished in about 15 minutes. And the best part? You never have to show your face. Hi, my name is Rich, and this is my channel, Rich's Faceless AI Videos. This is what I call the two-step AI faceless formula. Google Gemini for scripting, InVideo AI for production. The entire system is built on a foundation of efficiency. We are separating the creative thinking from the technical execution. This clarity is the secret ingredient that makes the entire 15-minute process possible. Phase 1 is the strategic core of our entire workflow. This is where the brain work happens. We take a single, focused idea and transform it into a polished, ready-to-produce script. Our tool for this task is Google Gemini. Think of Gemini as your personal writing assistant, one that is available 24/7. It can generate high-quality content in seconds. It helps you structure your thoughts. It helps you refine your language. It helps you format the output specifically for video production. The process is remarkably straightforward and relies on mastering just two simple commands. First, you craft a detailed prompt. Second, you generate and refine the script. This phase should take you no more than 5 minutes once you get the hang of it. The beauty of using Gemini for scripting lies in its ability to handle the heavy lifting of writing. Many aspiring creators get stuck at the blank page, unsure how to begin or structure their content. Gemini eliminates this friction. By providing a clear instruction, you can bypass writer's block entirely. It can help you create a compelling hook to grab the viewer's attention in the first few seconds. It can structure the main points logically, and it can write a clear call to action for the end. It ensures your video has a beginning, a middle, and an end, which is a fundamental component of effective storytelling that many new creators often overlook. This phase is not about replacing your creativity, it is about augmenting it. You are still the director. You provide the core idea, the desired tone, and the key message. Gemini acts as a highly efficient collaborator that organizes these elements into a coherent script. The goal is to move from idea to a complete 800 to 1,200 word script that is perfectly paced for an 8-minute video. Remember, a good script is the blueprint for a good video. Investing a few minutes here to get the text right will save you significant time and headaches later during the video production stage with InVideo AI. The final step in this phase is to copy the entire generated script to your clipboard. Crafting the right prompt for Gemini is the single most important skill in this entire process. It is the key that unlocks the AI's full potential. A well-constructed prompt guides the AI to produce a script that is not just good, but perfectly tailored for your video. A great prompt is short, clear, specific. It should tell Gemini exactly what the video is about, the tone you want to convey, the desired length. For instance, a weak prompt might be, write a video about AI. A stronger prompt example, write an 8-minute YouTube script about using AI to create faceless videos. Use a clear, friendly, and helpful tone. Include a short, powerful hook. Include 3 main steps. Include a concluding call to action. Let's break down the components of an effective prompt. Format, topic, tone, structure. First, specify the format and length. Write an 8-minute YouTube script. Second, define the topic, about using AI to make faceless videos. Third, establish the tone. Use a clear, friendly, and helpful tone. Fourth, outline the video's structure. Short hook, 3 main steps, call to action. Simple prompts get simple results. Detailed prompts get detailed results. Ask Gemini to write in plain, simple language. Instruct it to use short sentences. Shorter sentences sound more natural and are easier for the AI to narrate without awkward pacing or intonation. Phase 2. Automated video production with InVideo AI. Welcome to Phase 2, where your hard work in scripting pays off with incredible speed. Here, we use InVideo AI to transform your text-based script into a fully realized video. It takes your script, intelligently divides it into scenes, sources relevant stock video clips, generates a human-like voiceover, and syncs it all to background music. This feels like magic, but it's powerful technology following clear instructions. Your role is to guide the AI with a few critical clicks. InVideo AI condenses hours into minutes. Step 1. Paste your script. Open your web browser and go to the InVideo AI website. Log in and land on the main dashboard. Notice the central text box, the heart of the platform. Click inside that box. Paste the complete script you copied from Google Gemini. That single action gives the AI everything it needs. Step 2. Confirm your settings. Set the format to 16.9. Choose a voice from the drop-down. Listen to previews and pick a clear professional voice. Choose a visual style. For how-to videos, pick clean or professional. Step 3. Click Generate. It analyzes your script, breaks it down sentence by sentence, creates individual scenes, searches for relevant stock footage, generates the voiceover for each line, and layers background music. This replaces hours of manual editing. Step 4. Review and refine with text commands. Once the video is generated, it's time for the human review. Watch the video from start to finish. For each scene, ask, does the visual match the spoken words? If a scene is wrong, for example, beach versus forest, fix it easily. Select the scene and type. Replace this with a clip of a lush green forest. The AI will find a better clip. Use these commands to fix mismatches. When satisfied, click Export, choose Resolution, and your video is ready. This is where your channel's content library begins to grow at an unprecedented rate. Follow the steps methodically to hit the 15-minute time frame. A high-quality professional video quickly and consistently. Following the core workflow will give you a good video, but applying a few practical tips can elevate it to a great one. First, focus on your script lines. Write short, punchy sentences. The AI voiceover technology works best with concise phrasing. If you stumble over a sentence, it is too long. Break it into 2 shorter sentences. Second, be more descriptive in your original Gemini prompt. When you write your prompt, include specific visual ideas, simple bracketed cues. This gives InVideo AI precise instructions and reduces edits later. Third, consistency is key to building a brand. Create a template to save your preferred voice, style, and music, so you never start from scratch. Fourth, and finally, adhere to the principle of one main message per video. You have now mastered the 15-minute workflow. To truly scale, start batching your tasks. Generate 5 scripts with Gemini, then run them through the 4-click workflow. In about 2 hours of focused work, you can have an entire week of videos ready to go. This consistency signals to the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active and reliable. So, try it. Start with one simple video. Then do another. Before you know it, you will be building a content empire.